Hi everybody, I'm Alvise and welcome to this new video. In the last tutorial, I built a movie catalog site entirely through conversation with an AI agent using Novamira. It worked fine, but now I want to rebuild it with Gutenberg blocks, keeping all the data that's already there. If you haven't watched the first video, I used Novamira to give Claude Code full access to my WordPress site. I asked it to build a movie catalog called Cinetop, and Claude did everything: custom post type, templates, styling. And now I want to take the next step, keep all the movies, all the metadata, and convert the front end to native Gutenberg blocks. You have some content that works, you just want to modernize how it's built, and the agent handles the whole migration through conversation, as always for development and staging environments. So let's get started. So I connected Claude Code to the site through Novamira, and I told it convert this to native Gutenberg block. The agent starts by inspecting what's there, and it reads the existing files, checks the CPT registration, looks at how the data is structured, and finally it gets to work. First thing, it makes sure that the movie data is compatible with the block editor, and then it builds the actual block templates. The movie catalog page becomes a query loop block, querying the movie post type. Inside the loop, there's post feature image for the poster, post title for the name, and paragraph blocks with block blindings pulling rating, year, and director directly from the post meta. The same approach applies for the top rated page, but just with a different layout and sorted by rating. And now you'll see I stopped a few times to ask to the agent to confirm that these are actually native blocks. And each time it checks and then adjusts where needed. The point is to end up with something that the site editor can control fully. Once the blocks are working, the agent cleans up the old code, so the code that is no longer needed, and what's left is fully editable from the site editor. So now that we are in our dashboard in WordPress and we go to edit our pages, now we have the blocks that can be edited. Like, for example, I can show less items per page or a different order. And the same, like in the top rated. Same thing over here. We have Gutenberg blocks that can be edited. Like also here, we can change the number of items and other stuff. So that's basically the progression. In the first video I built a site from scratch through conversation, while in this video I converted it to proper FSC, still through conversation. The agent reads files, writes files, runs PHP, queries the database, while Novamira gives it direct access to the WordPress installation. As always, for development and staging environments with backups. If you want to try it, you can find the link in the description. Instead, click here if you want to watch the first video where we built Cinetop from scratch. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new contents about Novamira. Bye!